Hi, World Fitness family! Today, we're going to talk about a dynamic yoga flow designed to enhance your flexibility and performance. This yoga practice incorporates fluid movements, controlled breathing, and mindfulness, which will not only help you improve your athletic abilities, but also promote overall well-being. So let's dive right in. Begin by finding a comfortable position on the mat, preferably with your legs crossed. Inhale and arch your back, lifting your chest and tailbone toward the sky while keeping your head in a neutral position. This is called Vishuddha Svanasana. Exhale and roll your spine forward, tucking your chin to your chest for a slight stretch. Keep your core engaged and glutes tight. Now let's switch to Kumbho Namaste. Inhale and reach your right arm forward, bending at the elbow and lifting it toward the ceiling. With a controlled exhale, bend your left knee and bring your right hand down towards your left ankle. Press your palms together and gaze up into the ceiling, focusing on your inner breath and presence. Repeat this sequence 5 times to each side, and then switch to Namaste. Inhale and reach forward, lifting your right arm and left leg up toward the sky. Exhale and bring your legs back down, keeping your hips square. Inhale and round your back, tucking your left thigh toward your right hip. Exhale and roll your spine forward, lifting your head and neck toward the ceiling. Gently press your palms together, focusing on clearing your mind and embracing the present. For an added challenge, try adding leg lifts and torso twists to this sequence. For example, on your exhale, lift your right leg up and twist your torso to the right. Then switch legs and repeat. You can also incorporate more advanced postures like Dandasana, Warrior 2, or Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. As you progress and feel more comfortable, experiment with different combinations and flows. Remember, the key to enhancing your flexibility and performance through yoga is consistency, patience, and respect for your body. Practice this yoga flow regularly, and you'll be amazed by the progress you can make. Happy stretching!